Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this lunch bag. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So guys, right away we see you got a two-way strap, easy for carrying. I do want to remind everyone that this is a collapsible lunch bag. So as you guys saw, you probably thought, oh, that looked pretty small. Now look how big it is. You can pull it out and make it bigger, or you can flatten it and make it smaller, make it compact. So it's pretty cool. So you got a mesh pocket on the left side, you got a mesh pocket on the right side. So on the front you have a pocket right in here. You also have this other thermal pocket as well, so this will keep food cold or warm depending on what you place in here. So it is fully insulated, the whole bag. Let's go ahead and show you guys some more features here on the top. So on the top here, you got insulated, nice little mesh pocket up here, and that's just a small little section. Let's go ahead and open up this other section. All right, guys, here is your main section, and again, you guys can make this flat, or you can expand this and put a lot of stuff inside here. So this is how it looks expanded. And as you guys can see, it's deep. You can go in deep, so you can put a lot of food, a lot of drinks, whatever you guys want inside here. So again, for any more information, check out the listing. But it is a nice lunch bag, definitely great for a man or a woman that loves to eat, or loves to drink, or loves to have just a lot of stuff. And this lunch bag can even feed multiple people as well.